Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert the exponent on your Google Docs. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create the exponent in Google Docs. So first of all, you just need equation tab here. So it's actually in close. You just need to click on the insert option here and click on the equation. Now you can find the various option here. You just click on the fourth option here and make a drop menu, and here you just need to select this. So this will make an exponent. For example, I just going to type as y cube. So I just type as y. You just click on the top like this. You can, this is a below and this is above. Just click on 3 and just click on the top now, like that. You can see now I just type y cube here. So by this option you can just easily type exponent. You just click on again on the screen. Now make a space like that. I just want to type as xab. So click on the new equation, click on the same thing, click here, and now I just type as x and just click on the top. Now you can see I just type as AB. So by this option you can create the equation or exponent in your Google Docs easily. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more content about Google Docs, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.